Hey guys, welcome back to the Garden Noob. Today we're going to do a quick little review of my Ryobi +1 18-volt drill. It does have a hammer feature on it. Cool thing about this drill, it's got a little, I like the battery indicator, unlike my DeWalt. What I'm curious about, and I'm sure you are too, is how it compares against the DeWalt in everyday use, and is it good for commercial use. And right offhand I would say it doesn't compare all that well. Now, that being said, the drill itself is actually fine for everyday use, home use, you know, especially if you're wanting something for quite a bit less money. I guess this one's about a little less than half the price. If you buy like a 5-piece set with a Ryobi 18-volt compared to the DeWalt 20-volt, I think DeWalt's about $4.99, and these are about, you can catch them on sale for about $1.99 for the 5-piece set, which comes with flashlight, reciprocating saw, skill saw, and of course the drill. I guess some of you might be interested in seeing how the thing works. Actually works. And so let's try it out. I got some 2.5-inch screws. This good piece of oak 3x3 actually. Let's see how she drills in here. It's got a pretty full charge on it right now. It goes down pretty good. Countersinks it, not bad. Now I will say this battery will wear out a little faster than your DeWalt 20, but for everyday use, you know, doing home projects and stuff like that, I think it is just fine. You were building a deck or something like that, I would think I would definitely go with the DeWalt. Maybe have this one as a backup in case your DeWalt fails, your batteries run out. It does have a pretty cool little battery charger in here. The battery actually changes out really easy. Pop it on, charge it up for a couple hours, and go back to working with it. Reverse, forward, and I think this. And the chuck, very quick to change out. Change to a wood bit. We can try, see how fast we can go through a 2x6 with the. This is a 5/8 wood bit. Ought to be a good test. Just through it. Not really an issue. Let's try a couple of hits. Two. Well, that one didn't quite go through. Not. Well, that's not bad at all. Don't smell like getting hot. Well, that's it's got a 1/2-inch chuck on it, so it'll handle up to a 1/2-inch bit. Let's see, weighs 3 pounds with the battery. Yeah. So it's not too heavy. I mean, they do make more compact ones. This isn't bad. And like I said, it has a level on it if you can follow it to keep your drill straight. And of course the battery charge indicator light. It's got a little handle, a little holder here for your extra bits and stuff. All in all, I give it about a 7.5 on a 10. If a DeWalt 20 is a 10, this is a 7. So I'd recommend, for the money, it's worth buying. Unless you're a commercial contractor that's going to use it daily for, you know, half a day or something like that, then you're going to burn these burn these motors up. Otherwise, I say yeah, for $199 for the set, or you can buy these drills sometimes for $79, $99. I think it's well worth it. Just be sure and get you an extra battery for when you're doing a lot of drilling and stuff like that. Oh, and click subscribe. Please subscribe to me. All right, guys. Well, that's my review on that one. I know it was short and sweet, but there you go. If you want to save a little money, buy you a Ryobi. Anyway, keep getting those hands dirty, and we'll see you on the next video.